News, my lovely, wonderful people. Fresh trouble in Rivers State as Sim Fubara appoints ex-Speaker Ehie as Chief of Staff against Wike's will. And this is causing a whole lot of, a whole layer of trouble afresh in the state. Many people are wondering what exactly is going on and how this can be truly, really settled once and for all. As we speak at the moment, you can see that, not all that glitters really is gold, because at the moment, the issue is beginning to come out more and more. And what we see is that the River State governor, Sim Fubara, before now, all those around him were appointed by the previous administration, that is Nyesom Wike. And when issues started, 27 lawmakers left, and there is more. Now he has gone on and he has gone on, and right now, he's appointing his own chief of staff, and Wike is not happy. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Breaking news: fresh trouble in Rivers State as Governor Sim Fubara goes against Wike, appoints ex-Speaker Ehie as chief of staff. So this is what is happening. Rivers State Governor Sim Fubara has appointed the immediate past Speaker of the House of Assembly, Right Honorable Edison Ehie, as his new chief of staff against Wike's will. Ehie, who is strong ally of Fubara, replaces the chief of staff, Honorable Chidi Amadi, who is a kingsman to the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike. Wike is seriously unhappy. The immediate past speaker had on Sunday night resigned his position as both speaker and member representing Ahoda East constituency 2 in the Rivers State House of Assembly. Speaking questions about his political move, recall that the resolution signed by the parties during the peace meeting held at the instance of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu included the resignation of Right Honorable Martin as Speaker of the House. However, there is no clue mandating Ehie to vacate his seat as a member of the House. Ehie is a serious ally to Sim Fubara, and this is really causing a lot of issues and headache for Nyesom Wike, who is not happy with Sim Fubara making such a move without his approval. So this is what is happening right now, my people. Nyesom Wike is not happy with Sim Fubara, as Sim Fubara has, by himself, graciously gone ahead and showing that he has a will of his own, appoint somebody who can be his own body, who can really speak for him, to become his chief of staff. Nyesom Wike is sincerely, truly not happy because the person that was formerly there was somebody he put in there. How can you be in a government and nobody truly is on your side? You are being washed and reports are being given to whoever. So this is exactly what is happening now, and every single person is seriously watching and wanting to really understand what's going on. Nyesom Wike has continued to be, a strong, very strong individual who wants his own will. He wants his own will to stand. He doesn't care what happens to any other person. He is very strong-willed. If there's anything you can talk about Nyesom Wike, is that Wike is strong-willed, and he can't be bothered. He can't be bothered. So these are very, very difficult times, and every single person is wondering, what the next line of action could possibly be. So Nigerians, this is part of what is going on. Every single individual is watching. We are waiting, and we are trying to navigate and understand what's going on in this season. As we see right now, everybody's wondering. Everybody's seriously wondering, how things are. How things are, because at the moment we don't really understand, what's going on with all of this. If Nigeria changes, if things get better, every one of us will enjoy the benefits and the dividends of democracy. There are people who do not want, Nigerians or anyone to see anything that could possibly bring this, because they have their own mission statement, you see. They have what they want to see. They have what they have in mind and at heart, and they don't care what happens to any other person. Okay, so this is what is this is what is going on, and everybody is watching, and we all need to sincerely, truly, begin to make a real move that will, move us from where we are now, and and channel the course of this nation in the right direction. As we speak at the moment, everybody wants to know what the truth is. The issues of what is going on is showing to us that Nigeria, we cannot continue like this. We can't continue like this. Okay, the days upon us are very, very serious, and everyone is wondering, everyone is wondering, what truly this change will really be, because we are tired. As a nation, we are really tired. Okay, there are people whose mission statement is nothing but destroy the nation, and they don't care. They don't really care. So it is what it is, my people. If there's any time where Nigerians should rise up and ensure that, none of this continues, it's now. We must hold account, and we must ensure that the right things are done. Nobody should sit back there and think that everything is just going to line up nicely if we continue, not to speak. If we continue not to speak. Okay, so we must all speak. We must all speak and ensure that at the end of the day, Nigeria, things changes, and we all become who we should be. Okay, we all become who we should be. So Nigerians, wake up. It's the dawn of a new day. We need this country. We need change, and we need everyone to be able to rise up and ensure that we are standing for what is right, and we are doing all that is, humanly speaking, necessary and compulsory to change the course of what is going on today. Remember, if we keep quiet and we do not speak out, things may just get even more complicated. The country, the nation, with all that is happening, every one of us needs to, the change to really come. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.